Alright, so if you're teaching digitally online and you would like to assign the quizzes that they have at the end of the lessons to the students, I figured out how to do it. I wanted to share it with you guys for those of you who didn't. So you go down to Teacher Edition, and then I'm currently in Unit 1, Lesson 3, Day 5, and when you click down here where it says Formative Assessment, you click on it, it shows you it's Unit 1, Lesson 3, Missing Sounds, and High Frequency Words. Those are the two, right? So you would go back to the top, click on the 3 bars there under the menu, and click on Assessments. I've already assigned one of them, so I'll show you how to do the other one. Click on Assign Test from Library. Click My Test, and then the OCR just stands for Open Court Reading. You click on that one. All of them are listed Grade 1, Unit 12, Lesson 2. So it's starting from the end. So that means I gotta go to the end to get to the beginning. And then I'm gonna click on Unit 1, Lesson 3. It was, there they go, Missing Sounds, High Frequency. So I'm gonna click right here where it says a little setting button. I'm going to click where it says Assign to Class, and then you can, as you see here, you can assign it to certain students however you'd like to do that. I'm just going to click Assign to Class. Right, so your students, now I have the 2 here. Your students, when they, let me delete one of them. When they log on, it'll look like this for them. So when they log on, they'll click right here. And they scroll all the way down, click on Open Court Launch. Man, I never knew this was here, but it has all of the things here. So they would go over here, click on Assessments, and it's right here, and they can just click Take Now. That's one option. Another option that I have in my PowerPoint, it would be to just assign it on SmartLab, and I already created the activity. That was before I knew I could assign it on ConnectEd. So they would go to hellosmart.com, enter the class ID, and then it would look something like this for them. That's what it looks like on their side, and then on my side it looks like this. So then as I'm answering, you get to see how they're answering, and you can even show the questions if you'd like. I would basically be reading it, and then they'd need to move on. So everybody would be essentially going at the same pace. And then once they're done, what I like about this option, just because you get to make sure everybody's going together at the same time, when the person clicks Submit Answers, you can, once everyone has clicked Submit Answers, you can end the activity, and then you can review. So you can see how many people got a certain amount wrong. Only downside to this option is that you would have to manually create the quizzes, but I will share all of the ones that I create. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this was beneficial.